to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today we will see first impression of iPhone 14 Pro. Just I received the product today because of last week my fiance is booked this phone for me, and today is very surprise, and she told we can go to the Apple store, and it's very surprising for me. So that point of view I will make this video and explore which types of content and what exactly look like iPhone 14 Pro. So let's check it out. Unboxing of iPhone 14. Now just simply I remove this strip. So look at this here, iPhone 14 Pro. This is 128 gigabyte storage. Oh, I purchased this one spacey black. So this is a product phone. Inside the phone, just they are providing one sticker. Last year they are give it to me two sticker because of I have already in 13 Pro Max. Nothing special. The magic booklet, if you have no knowledge, so you can use this magic booklet, and as usual C-type port they are providing in the box, and that's it. So this is our phone. So we'll see. Oh, it's amazing. This is a 48 megapixel camera, and this is a 12 and 48. This is a difference between of last year product and this year product. If you see here, this is 13 Pro Max and this is 14 Pro. So the camera size is totally changed. They look like it's very classy compared to the last year product. And now I just simply on this button. So we'll see inside. So we'll see. Start the phone. Now mobile is a start. Hello. Swipe. Select the language, English. Select the region, language setting. Set up manually. Prefer language, English dense. Keyword English. Continue. Select the Wi-Fi. Sync home. I have Wi-Fi. I put it password. Simply I connect the phone using my phone. I'll go back. It may take few minutes to activate your phone. So now I will wait. Data and privacy. Continue. Face ID. Let's start. Setup later. Using mask also available. Face ID. I set my password. Restore from iCloud, restore from Mac, transfer direct iPhone, move data, or don't transfer app or all. So I'll say restore from our iCloud ka, and I put it here my email address, iCloud ID, iCloud password. So look at this, the last year phone, the notch is available here, notch is not available. This feature comes just only Pro and Pro Max of 14. So look at this, my all backup are automatically come here. I watch Apple Wallet and iCloud. So continue. So my all data is automatically transfer from this to this. Transfer from nearby phone or QR code. Set up mobile services also, or use the QR code, or enter the manual of activation of my SIM card. But for the SIM card point of view, I will make a different video. Wallet ID, my credit card is added here automatically. Transfer via old phone to new phone. Verification is done. Okay, I will say my application. Continue. Apple beta software program. Continue. Restore from iCloud. So my all data is restored from this old phone to new phone automatically using the restore from iCloud services. So this is the advantage of Apple product. Without connect anything, without connect the cable, you need to internet, and directly all data transfer from this device to this device, old device to new device. So guys, hope you like this video. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.